Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you all how we can actually use the Find tool on our Microsoft Excel workbook. So maybe you're working within your workbook and there is a whole lot of information here, and maybe you have multiple sheets as well and you're looking for something in particular. Rather than having to try to find it manually going through each sheet, you can use something called the Find tool on Excel. So there's a few different ways you can use this tool. You can come over here to the Home tab on your ribbon, come over here to Find and select the Find option. That'll bring up this option here too, but what I like to do is I just like to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl F. There is also a Find and Replace tool, which we'll cover in a different video, but let's just say that in our case right now, we're trying to find the word total. But before I do that, if you click on this options, it gives you additional options to expand out your search or narrow your search. So right now it's only searching within this sheet, but if I wanted to be able to search within my workbook, I can choose that here. But like I mentioned, there may be a case where you have like 50 different sheets down here, and you want to make sure if you're not trying to look within that sheet that you change this here to workbook. You can also choose, are you trying to find it within rows? Are you trying to find it within columns? Are you trying to look in formulas, values, notes, comments? I mean, there's a whole different things you can specify here. You can even make it case sensitive if you would like to. So let's go ahead and we don't need to do all that. So for us, we're just trying to find the word total. So let's go ahead and type in total. We can either hit find next, or we can just hit enter. And now that once we hit enter, you can see that it went ahead and found the first instance of the word total, but it is on here more than once. So if I was to hit next, you can see it went ahead and moved it over. So now we have it as a value, but then we also have it here available as a column. So now that I have both instances of the word total, I can decide if I want to change it to something else using the Find and Replace tool, or maybe I just wanted to find it in my workbook to be able to reference it for something. So that is how you use the Find tool on Excel.